Hi, this is Casey Potetz of New Canaan Acupuncture, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you my suggestions of things to keep on hand should you contract the coronavirus. Before we get started, let me give you my disclaimer. Although I'm a healthcare practitioner, nothing I say in this video should be taken as direct medical advice. This is for informational purposes only. Always consult with your primary care physician. So there are 4 phases of the coronavirus disease progression. Those phases are prevention phase, early onset phase or influenza phase, pneumonia phase, which is like full-blown lung infection. That's the phlegmy, deep-seated cough and difficulty breathing that we don't want to get to. And then there's recovery phase. So this video is all about the second phase. So this is early onset. This is when the patient has fever and chills, a low-grade fever, aversion to cold, maybe some muscle soreness and tightness, maybe stiff neck, headache, and just a tickly feeling in the throat. This is not when there is that deep phlegmy cough. This is before that happens. And what we want to do is prevent it from going further. So in Chinese medicine, whether it's a cold, flu, or viral infection, the treatment principle is the same at this phase. It's to release the exterior and expel the pathogen. So the body's own defense mechanisms are already working. We're already having fever and chills, and that's the body's way of killing the pathogen and getting it out. So we want to help that by causing a sweat. If you want to take Advil or acetaminophen or ibuprofen at this time, my suggestion is to my patients to not take it just because you have a fever. A low-grade fever is helping your body defend against the virus. If you're going to take it for a good reason, like a severe headache or painful symptoms. All right, so moving on, how do we induce a sweat? So of course we want to wrap our body up, keep the neck covered, and then the best medicine for causing a sweat is actually the white part of the green onion. So like that white bulbous part. So we want to use a lot of onions and pungent herbs at this time. So that's red onion, green onion, yellow onion, white onion, garlic, watercress, rosemary, thyme, oregano, basil. What else? You can use cilantro. Anything that's going to make you cry when you cut it, that's what you want to be taking right now. So I always suggest to just make a broth with a ton of onions in it as soon as you get a cold and just drink it all day. Help your body sweat out that sickness. You can also, there's a trick to eat a whole red pepper in the morning when you wake up if you're feeling like that tickly throat. Red pepper is like a nice fresh raw red pepper, has a lot of zinc in it, so that helps activate the immune system. And one more trick I want to give you guys is to drink some green tea and then take a really nice long hot shower. That's going to help open the pores again and sweat out the pathogen. So we also want to make sure we're avoiding more nourishing foods or we call it phlegm-inducing foods. So you want to be avoiding sugar, dairy, cheese and milk. We want to be avoiding processed carbohydrates. And we want to stop taking any tonics that we were taking before to enhance the immune system. So this is not the time to be taking turmeric or ginseng or adaptogenic herbal blends or medicinal mushrooms that I love to take for immunity. This is not the time to take those things because what they do is they can draw the pathogen deeper into the body, when right now what we want to be doing is helping release the exterior and pushing everything out. Okay. So those are my suggestions. Give me your questions. I hope everyone is staying healthy and safe. And if you want to stock up your house with some more powerful and potent Chinese herbs, I am taking consultations. You can check out my website for details. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.